Damn, we should have run a camera.
Yeah, they should have, nigga. We never fucking thought about it.
Huh?
Because nobody was thinking about it. No funny shit. It still catches the grip like a lot.
Nah, it's because of how you will drive. See, look, he's going.
These niggas in here. The car is mad foggy.
Hell yeah, yo. Stop. Nah, they sus as shit.
Mad foggy, nigga. In the corner, bro.
Tell me fun though.
I have yet to do it.
Alright, you want to do it?
With the nigga right there?
No. Let's wait till you pull up a little bit. Let's go over here.
Yeah, wait till we come over here and leave.
He about to violate his whole suspension, yo.
Drag chain malfunction.
Why do I feel like this is gonna go horribly wrong, bro? Huh?
Don't say that, man.
Why do I feel like that, yo?
Don't say that. So weird. You do the mad control. My shit's like.
Alright, do me a favor. I'm gonna put my hand on it. Just go in circles right here.
Nigga, that's a bad idea.
Yo, just do it. Just don't let off. Like, oh, cop. Just drive normal. Cop, drive normal. I'm about to say, if you run, how I'm gonna get away?
Nigga, how I run?
Oh, yeah, you're right.
You think I'm going from the now?
Yeah, let's go. Run. Nah, I'm joking.
Oh, there he is. Is that him?
Yeah, that's him. Yeah.
Where's he going?
Relax.
Yeah, I'm chilling, nigga.
No, I'm saying relax because, yeah, see, he's somebody too.
Yeah, let's not go back over there.
No, go straight. No, you gotta hold it. That's all. Bro, don't stand right by the entrance. We gotta at least go somewhere where he's not gonna come. Yeah, like, huh? How much room you need?
It's my first time doing this. All the room in the world.
Yo. Come on, man. Give it some more juice, man. What the hell is that? Give it some more juice, man. I'm getting dizzy. There we go. Now open it up a little bit. Make the turn a little wider. Yeah. Now you gotta stay in the gas when you start sliding to power out. It's all-wheel drive, so the more gas you give it, the more you actually gonna go in the direction. You get what I'm saying? Hold it, like, all right, now hold the wheel like this now. Give it more gas, give it more gas. You see what I mean? Open it up, give it more, you see? Like you open the circle up. Don't just turn the wheel, like you just turn the wheel because you see.
Was like, I don't know.
Nah, you turn the wheel because you're like 3 seconds. All right, turn it left. 3 seconds. All right, turn it right.
Just like sliding, right.
To make it wider, just hold it and give it gas. It's all-wheel drive. It'll kind of shoot out a little bit. See, now hold it. You see what I mean? Now let go. Yeah, don't let go. My bad. That was a wrong turn. But you see how you make it bigger now?
Yeah.
You gotta hold it a little bit.
Like, it's weird that way. It feels weird that way though.
Cause it just feels like you got less
I don't know
control.
how you did it when you did it all the way around this. That's mad wide, nigga.
That's how, I don't know how to explain it, bro. I really can't explain it. This dude, oh my God. Give it some, come on, man. Give it some juice, man. Yo, don't, yeah, see, oh no.
That wasn't it, nigga.
Yo, you gotta, the thing is, you letting off the gas, you gotta give it, in this, you gotta realize it, right?
You gotta hold on the gas?
It's all-wheel drive. No, like, you gotta, like, feel what you're doing. It's all-wheel drive. So the more you stay on the gas, the more, I don't know how to explain it, but control is gonna have. When you let off, I don't know if you notice, when you let the gas, then you start the rear-wheel drive fishtail.
Yeah.
You have to stay on the gas, bro.
Don't get off the gas too much.
Don't get off the gas. You gotta like judge it yourself. But yeah, like look, like the car will literally go where you want it to when you're on the gas. It's kind of crazy how to explain it. Like hold it and get on the gas. You're gonna go. You see what I mean? Now twist it. Now gas it. Now gas it. You gotta give it more gas. But you see what I mean? When you give it, twist it. Now give it gas. Hold it right here. Give it gas. Now go in a little bit more. Now come out. You see, I'm not moving the wheel that much. Yeah, like you see how all I wagon, the wagon. Oh, you got the wagon. Yo, bro, you got it. You got it. You got it. Yo, but you see what I mean?
Got the Scooby out here.
The Scoobaroo? The Scoobaroo?
We got the Scooby out here. That shit sounds mad good, son.
It does.
That shit sounds mad good.
Yo, oh no! My man, look, you got it. Look, oh, Nelson 3000. Oh, my man with the most controlled drifts. That's the thing you lit. Yo, yeah, that's in the man now. Open the door, get out of here. Look at this. Yo, this.
That's just nigga.
Ice skirt got mad stuff.
Fuck them ice skirts, nigga.
Yo, hold on. No, you're not. No, you're not, because the cops is here. The aftermath. Car is still in one piece. So if you smack it up when I'm not here, you cannot blame me, bruh. I gotta get this footage. You smacked the whole. I should have brought the Honda out here. Yeah, that's the most fun I had in a long time, bruh. Yo. This guy drifts.
Nigga, call me Ken's Block.
Yo, he's different now. He's different.
Call me Ken's Block, bro.
Get blocked.
I'll drip out this whole bitch, nigga. Wait, you catch your Instagram, right?
Nah, I didn't put it on Instagram yet.
Oh, no, the video. Fucking proper circles. You ain't catch your Instagram.
Nah. Everything's on my regular camera. I got you, bro. I send you the footage of whatever you need.
I'm about to post one of you. Make it look like I was done. I just ended up putting your nose down.
Yeah. Nah, that shit was fire, yo. If we had better camera equipment, it'd be dope. If we had the drone, oh my God. But we really got caught because we can barely fly the drone. Yeah. And I think this is a no drone flying area, to be honest with you.
I've been over here with the drone, right?
Oh yeah, I think this is a no drone flying area. Yo, we out?
Go dummy, go beast on them. I go beast. Go deep, I OD on them. I OD. Apply pressure, put heat on them. Put that 500 degrees on them. 500 degrees. Go dummy, go beast on them. I go beast. Go deep, I OD on them. I OD. Apply pressure, put heat on them. Put that 500 degrees on them. 500 degrees. Countdown, levitate. Going up, elevate. Watch me demonstrate. On time, never late. I grind, celebrate. No pump, fake, hesitate. I been scoring every day. Champagne Perrier. Since 9-3, been in the box, now stepping up to home.